Tupkee sent me this double wall glass tumbler and lid set, and it's right here. It came super well packaged, by the way, not just in the box, but actually wrapped up together because, yes, this is glass. Even the lid is glass. It does have some really nice silicone seal around it, but yes, it is absolutely glass. And of course, you have to be careful. Now, let me show you a little bit closer look of what this thing actually looks like. So you've got that rubber silicone around here for easy grip, but also because this is going to be a double glass wall. So what does that mean is that, I'm hoping you guys can see, this is double insulated, meaning you can have really, really hot liquids in here, zero issues at all. You're not going to burn yourself. It's going to be really, really easy. And I love the fact that the bottom is also a silicone grip, a rubber grip, as well as I mentioned that it's really light. Look at this. So that seal right there is hermetically sealed once you put that on top of your cup. So as far as the lid goes, it's a spill-proof lid. Love the fact that they do have that air control because it is a sippy cup style. I'm going to put it on just like that, and look at that. It does fit perfectly. It is completely sealed. Looks great. I do like the design of it. It's a very, very nice cup with lid. Not necessarily something that you would be able to use with a straw, because like I mentioned, it is only for sipping, but coffee, tea, I think this is ideal, and it looks absolutely great.